Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching video lecture on topographical sheet. First chapter and a very important chapter. This is very vast range of chapter. That's why we are going to discuss in detail. Dear students, in the last video lecture, we have discussed river drainage patterns. Drainage patterns, four types of patterns: dendritic pattern, terrestrial pattern, and disappear a stream of the rivers and the patterns related to radial drainage patterns. That means top of the land. Today we are going to discuss this is gradient, this is sterilized pattern, dendritic pattern. Now means of transport and communication. Communication. Dear students, as you know that in a topographical sheet, we have entire features, either natural or man-made features, find. So, transport and communication is the man-made features which we are going to discuss today. Roads and metal roads and metal roads. Roads is defined like that patterns, which is see like that. Car track or fast track is dotted line and like that. Railways is written as RS also, and the black line, the dotted white line. Post office is also written as PO, and the symbol is like that. Over tank is that blue in shape, like this structure is tank. And the mineral lines, third way, clean, cutting with the tunnels is the structure like that. This is cutting tunnels structure. This is mineral lines structure. This is Nil structure. Streams with a track in bed like that. This is streams, rivers streams like that. Wells, we are going to discuss all the things further. So, move this topic, moving towards this topic. Dear students, on Metal Road 3386, just see in this 3386, where it is 3386. This is 33 and 86, this one. So look at this dotted line, two dotted lines going towards, heading towards northwest part. So this is unmetal road, which is also called Kacha road. Okay. Now metal road is 3585. So 35 and 85 is this. 35 and 85. This is metal road. And like this structure, we have see, you can see this is metal road, this is metal road, this is metal road, all this is metal road. Okay. Car track. Car track is 3585 also. Look at this 3585. This is 3585. This is red lines going towards this settlement area. So this is cart track or pass track. Now irrigation. On the topographical sheet, we can see blue dot lines. This is called what? This is called well, lined well. And when the blue dot line is empty, That means circle, blue circle is only seen. This means it is unlined well. It is very important things for topographical sheet when it's come to talking about irrigation. So think upon all these things. Dry tank is like that a structure, black zigzag lines and dot black patch in that particular surroundings, and in the square it is also black. When perennial tanks means throughout the years in this tank we can find the water. So this is perennial tank. Okay. So dear students, this is means of irrigation. Now, land use patterns. As you know that here is a green area and here is the yellowish area, and somehow somewhere you find white patches in the last video lecture, in the last live class. We have already discussed all the things. So this green area and this yellow patches say something. Color is very important in the topographical sea. So land use patterns, occupation style can be interpreted the help of color and conventional signs. So look at this picture. This is the jungle area, forest area, reserved forest covered area. As you see, this is open mixed jungle. It is written like that. Okay. Causeway. Now agriculture land like that is yellow in color. Okay. So you have to understand color also. Green color means greenery area, that means forest cover. Okay. Mining, quarrying is also is in this figure. Look at this figure 53 to 56. No, it is above of this. 53 to 56. This is yellow in color. 20 yellowish color. This part is what? The way of agriculture land. Okay. Pastoral farming. What is it? Pastoral farming, when arid zone or semi-arid zone, that means hilly track area where grasslands abundant, like sheep, goat, cattle rearing is significant of the pastoral farming. For example, in the topographical sheet, 28 to 26, from here to here, and 86 to 90. Present of the trees, shrubs, bamboo, grass indicates that pastoral farming occupation of the particular occupation of the people. So when it's come to talking about examination, in your examination, definitely it will ask, see this topographical sheet from here to here, easting, northing, and so what is the occupation of that particular area. So if you see that hilly track area, arid zone, white patches there. This is white patches area. So you must have knowledge of that. This particular area, hilly track area, that means grassland area. If any place of the topographical sheet, definitely significant for the pastoral farm. Okay. Now manufacturing. In the presence of large number of mills, factories indicates that most of the people industrial workers. Okay, and the trade and commerce in the presence of rail track. This is rail track. Okay, this is rail track. Western Railways margin written here. So this is the rail track. This is NH14 written here. This is also metal road. This is also metal road. Okay. So, and communication written here. Main power lines is here. Telephone lines. Like that structure, like that thing, if you find the topographical sheet, definitely it means the trade, transportation, commerce, service. This is the place of trade and commerce. You have to find it. 30 to 38 to 46, this is the map area, and 85 to 88, this is all about the trade and commerce. Okay. Land use occupation, agriculture, label with a yellow wash and many wells. If wells is there, definitely blue lines, blue circle, and if a blue circle filled with blue color, that means lined well. If it is not, it is unlined well. As I discussed earlier, lumbering means forest, cattle rearing. As you know that I discussed it already. Now, barren land is represented as white in color, that is deserted area. Built up the area shown in color, red color. Any settlement area is shown in the red color. Tourism hotels in is written as like that. And the industry, large settlement near roads, railways, presence of the raw materials. Trade, dense settlement near roads. This is the main features. Fishing means fishing, plenty of water. Water bodies there. There is fishing, one occupation. Mining is their occupation. Definitely quarrying, limestone beds, stone waters is that. Now all about colors. Look at this. Black colors named as blank river, dry tanks, broken ground, surveys trees, heights, numbering, railway lines, telephone lines, telegraph, latitude, longitudes, and the international, national, state boundaries is written in a black in color. Blue bodies means water bodies, canals, wells, lakes, all that. Green means forest, orchards, scattered trees, shrubs, all that. Yellow is cultivated land. Again, white means uncultivated, arid zones. And brown color is written in a contour lines. Okay, numbering contour lines, their numbers, sand features, sand hills, dunes, sand dunes, like that. Red colors is defined as the roads, car tracks, settlements, huts, and building. So definitely you have to find it, all the things. In your book, there are some significant sign is there. Just go through the your go to your book and read it, or and paste in your copy, or draw in your copy all the signs, so that you can easily remember it. Okay, I hope it is clear. Thank you so much.